You're gonna have to. It's not catching the wood.
Just get. There's some lighter fluid right there. Just spray it on it.
I'm gonna lean it.
There we go.
There it goes. Woo! And it goes up fast.
Oh, jeez.
And that's what you get from a dry one.
It just broke off.
Yay. Now how is those when the 40 go up? What the hell is that, sweetie?
Huh? Hey, Daddy.
How you doing?
Good. How you doing? Wave. You gotta wave. Wave, wave, wave. Hey.
Kermie.
Kermie. Kermie. Hi.
So your black cat, is that Luna? Is it Luna the black cat?
Yeah, that's good though, Mom. You did pretty good.
I don't know what the other one was. Miro?
What are you talking about?
They one moved
Artemis.
Artemis?
I guess we should film myself, huh?
You call yourself Artemis?
No, what I'm wearing. Like, yes. I know.
Jack's got damn strange. But all they gotta do is like, well, go to
Wait.
Charlie Brown.
So he's a deranged cancer.
Maybe a troll of some sort.
It's a cave troll.
It's a masterpiece, Dad.
SpongeBob.
I know, that's what that is.